steps without a destination, looking for adventures or escaping a nation. I thought we're together, but what's with the separation? Am I the bad guy, or it's just my imagination? Am I the bad guy, or is it your imagination? They are the enemy, well, who's the friend then? Someone who hates being alone and starts calling you a friend. Someone who wants what you have y luego te diga que te den. Here I am, fighting for my friends' rights, and I'm hated by men. I'm hated by women. I'm hated by all of them. Working hard, it built an empire from scratch. Independent, doesn't need anyone's back to latch. Thought it's the boss when, in reality, it's an egg about to hatch. It's the boss now, alright, but what's really the catch? A symphony with no harmony, is that your romantic match? Slaving for hours, doesn't even have a second for love. Gotta spend more hours cause I'm not getting paid enough. Sacrificing its life for whom? From all that money's puff, when it's so slender and skinny. Baby, work, you've done enough. I think, work, you've done enough. Struggling to show their worth with themselves, they are really hurting. Smiling for a day and hibernating a week behind curtains. Humanity's future is for sure uncertain.